Wonder Channel. Today it's our 7th day. So we took a rest yesterday. we just stayed in our room. Today we're going to Jurong Bird Park. And yeah, we lost our tripod somewhere. Don't know where it went. Where it traveled. So yeah, we're just going there today. So let's go. So if you like our videos, don't forget to leave a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the notification bell so you're always notified whenever we have new videos, new travel videos like this one. Chaneng! It's our first time to go out na kaming tatlo lang. So let's see if we're going to survive today. Say hi. Hi. You tell them you're riding the Salsi.
Toyota.
You're riding Toyota.
From hello, what's your name? I'll know I'll never be the same. Oh, you've been changing me from trying so hard not to play the fool to do you know that you're beautiful. Oh, you've been changing me. Just take some time, but little by little, yeah, we'll get it right. Oh, I never thought I could get the chance to be here with you. Two crazy fools, two left feet, step by step, heartbeat by beat. Life's a song, love's a dance. So come and take my hand. When life is hard, when hope is real, when what was broken starts to heal. Oh, you've been changing me from flying high to breaking falls. Learning money don't mean that you have it all. Oh, you've been changing me. Just take some time, but little by little, yeah, we'll get it right. Oh, I never thought I could get the chance to be here with you.
So colorful. There's no parrot there. Here, oh, there, Casey. Look. Them. Parrot, come here. Sit down. Stand down.
Welcome back on our camera. We are now heading back to Tram Station 1.
Anak mo pa, meron pa yung bird.
Go, lapitan mo, lapitan mo.
Dali, lapit.
Oh, lapit, lapit. Go, lapit mo. Go. Ay.
Punta dito.
Ayun, sila. Go, go, go.
Ay, dami din.
Dami bird.
Punta dito, be.
Go, go. Ayan.
Ana.
Oh, we caught a bird.
Oh no, nasa daw tayo ng cage ng bird. Are you a bird?
Yeah.
Yes. Ganon, tweet, tweet. Ganon ka. Bird ka, di ba? Yeah. Bird. Hello, bird. Tweet, tweet. Ganun ka. Yan.
Dito, Baba, na.
Oh no, lumabas na yung bird.
This is my baby bird. Mama,
Sissy.
Mama.
I'll give you food because you're my baby.
Here's your food. Dito, Baba, Mabe.
Labas na din.
Mama, Benny.
Rainy? Well, let's go there now. Ride the train.
Ba, ba.
Bye.
Crazy fools to left feet, step by step, heartbeat by beat. Life's a song, love's a dance. So come and take my hand.
How many birds did you see?
Going to specific national ways.
Five. How many bluebirds?
Ka.
Five also?
Ka,
How about the yellow one?
How about the black one?
Black.
Ka.
Yung black.
The black and yellow?
Di ba? Tama yung black nila. Nilaro mo.
Welcome.
You want that?
Yes, pena to.
Or this one? We have this na. Ito.
Kajik na.
Okay. Want
Ito,
the light blue?
Ito, ya. Buya.
You put it in your bag. It's a bag tag here. Oh.
Basta.
Okay. Yeah, it's a bag tag. That one na? Okay. Oh, we pay there.
Pe, pe, pe.
Yeah, we pay there. Oh. Yummy. That's your first ice cream? You like it? The flavor is cookies and cream.
Nana.
I thought you don't like. Yummy?
Nana.
Yummier than milk? You drink a lot of water, okay?
No, ito.
After this, drink a lot of water.
Seatbelt.
Riding a BM?
Bie.
Yay! Tell Didi. Didi, I'm riding a BM. Oh, you talk to Didi.
Di dabe na?
Yeah, umalis na nga. Pero you tell Didi, Didi, I'm riding a BMW.
Bi.
Didi, I'm riding a BMW. Oh my gosh.
Yung,
It's insane.
Dad, Mama, to be about you.
What?
To be.
2M? 2?
To
We
be.
will not ride anymore after
Yeah.
this. We don't have money.
Money.
We don't have money.
Money.
We'll ride the train na lang. And the bus.
No be. Ito.
Yeah, this is the last BM.
Kita akan be ito.
Yeah. You like it?
Hindi na ba? Be na?
No more na. At home na. Let's go inside the hotel na. So, we're going out again. We just took a rest. And we're going to Newton Hawker Center for dinner. Hi.
Hi.
Say hi.
Hawker Center.
Okay.
Yeah. We're just taking the train just across our hotel. So, if I haven't mentioned, we're staying at Hotel Gentanglin. And the station across it is Orchard Boulevard. So convenient. You just need to cross the street and tada, we're on a train now. So I highly recommend you book here for convenience, especially if you're traveling with a toddler or with lots of elderly. This one is the buffet breakfast is so good. All the staples are there, so if you're looking for cereals, oats, anything you want for breakfast, it's available. So we're just taking the train going to Newton. So we're here, and then we're taking train to Stevens, and then we're going to Newton for the Hawker Center. So it's just 3 stations away, 1 transfer. So it's convenient and easy. Oh no, change of plans because the Newton Hawker Center is closed. So we're heading to Somerset instead, and we're going to see where can we eat there. I hope there's not much people. Yeah, at Orchard. Casey is sleepy. See? Sleep na. It's yours.
Thank you.
This one is $3 only.
Not bad, right? Hi, happy time.
My days.
Late night.
And our chaperone sleeping already.
Never thought